Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! To change the language in Instagram, this can be done through the settings in this application. You need to remember changing the language on the Instagram or Instagram app can only be done by application users on mobile phones and cannot be done by Instagram users via desktop. So, first of all, you can open your Instagram app, tap on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top on the up right corner over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down until you find language. Tap on language. Now you can choose the language you want to change on Instagram. As example, I will change from English to Bahasa. You can tap on Bahasa. Now you can refresh the page or you can close the Instagram app and open again. Now you can see the language on my Instagram has been changed to Bahasa. You can see. If you want to change to another language, you can tap on your profile, tap on here. You can do like the same way like before. Now you can choose the language that you want to change. I will choose to English. Now my Instagram, the language has been changed to English language. So that is how to change language on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!